Hey friends, if you wish to fix access denied, you do not have permission to access this server error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is that you cannot do anything about this situation. Why? Because there are websites which have location restrictions. Okay, and if you try to access them, you will not be able to access them. The next one is that you will have to disable the VPN software on your system even if that website is available on your location, because if it detects that a VPN is being used, even if the location in the VPN and the location where you are both are advocated by that website, you will still not be able to access it if that website detects that you are using a VPN software. So if you have an external VPN software, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab, select installed apps, and then find the problematic VPN and then uninstall it. Okay. The next solution will be to disable any proxy on your computer. So press the Windows key and the R key to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Go to the connections tab, select LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. Click on OK and then click on OK. The last solution is to clear browser data. How would you do that? So open the browser in which you're facing this issue. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select history. Click on this bin symbol. Then change the time range to all time and click on clear now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.